So if I have an arrest record, can that be expunged?
Yeah, absolutely. There are certain situations where an arrest record can get expunged. Typically, if you're getting your conviction expunged, it's going to expunge everything, including the arrest. Now, there are also times where you get arrested for something, but you don't get a conviction, meaning maybe you had a trial and won, so you're not convicted. Maybe you got arrested for something, but charges were never filed. So that would be a separate expungement of your arrest record, and that is possible to do under certain situations, absolutely.
So just to be clear, what things can actually be expunged?
On your arrest record, it would expunge the actual arrest.
Okay.
And your arrest record a lot of times it's going to be different than your criminal record. Because when you get arrested, the officer's going to input into their data system why they felt like they arrested you. So, but that could be different from the actual charge that you get charged with and go to court for. So your arrest record, all of that can be expunged under certain circumstances. Now, what can be expunged as far as your criminal record goes, again, that's going to depend on the type of charge that you've been convicted of. There's a laundry list of felonies that cannot be expunged. There's a short list of misdemeanors that can't be expunged. All Class A felonies cannot be expunged. Sex crimes cannot be expunged. Violent crimes cannot be expunged. So the easiest thing to do is pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll run down that whole list for you and let you know if you're eligible for an expungement.
So you're talking about arrest and conviction. Is that you have to be expunged 2 times? Or is it just expungement? Let's say you get arrested but not convicted, then you get expunged. You can try for arrest. Let's say you're convicted. Do you get expunged for the conviction and the arrest?
Yeah, we try to cover if you're expunging your arrest, or excuse me, if you're expunging your conviction, your criminal record, we just kind of lump that in, and we request that anything related to that conviction, including the arrest, be expunged as well. And that's why it's important when you do these things that you're filing the petition and you're including the agency that arrested you, because the agency that arrested you could be a small local municipality, but you're actually going to court somewhere else. So that's why it's very important that when you do this, you include all those agencies that have access to those records or that had a hand in your conviction or your arrest.
Mm-hmm. And why not hire someone who does that for a living and knows what questions to ask?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you.